Hello everybody. So now we're going to go over the future tense. The future tense is simple. We probably only need to do this for a couple minutes. The past tense is done by simply adding lo. Lo can go in any position in front of the verb as long as it's not after the verb. So if you want to say I will have a house, you could say, you would say, Milotin un cas. I will have a house. Milotin un cas. You can also say, lo mitin un cas. Lo mitin un cas. How would you say the female teacher will have a dog? Female teacher was Juffrouw de Klas. Juffrouw de Klas. Juffrouw de Klas. Juffrouw de Klas. Lotin un cacho. How would you say the male teacher will have a cat? Male teacher again was meneer de klas. So meneer de klas lotin un pushy. Meneer de klas, or you could say lo meneer de klas teen un pushy. It's probably better. It's probably easier to say it after the noun if you're coming from if you speak a language that has, if your native language is something that uses this kind of order, just because it's simpler to remember to put the lo after and deal with all your particles after you have said the subject that whoever is doing it, basically. So meneer de klas lotin un pushy. So he will read a book. So is he or she. So lo lesa un buki. Lo lesa un buki. How do you say we will eat at home? Or actually, let's say you will all eat at home. So you will all eat at home. Come is to eat. Not kas means at home. So how would you say you will all eat at home? Boso lo come na kas. Boso lo come na kas. Boso lo come na kas. How would you say I will see the teacher? Milotin juffrouw de klas. Milotin un meneer de klas. All right, and that concludes the lesson for lo, which is the future tense of Papiamento.